This is a small snapshot of the materials inside the package of our BiGiN homeschooling kit. For each month, the child will receive a package. There will be a book inside the package. Along with this book, there will be art and craft materials for the activities inside the book. There will be some colors, crayons and paints for coloring activities. And there will be some skill enhancing toys related to the theme of the book. And apart from this, there will be a daily schedule that can be used along with the book. Each day there will be 2 to 3 sessions that has to be covered, and there will be one after class activity that can be done independently once the sessions for the day is over, and there will be one sticker sheet. For a detailed video of how all these materials will work together, please check out the link in the description.